In today's video, I will walk you through how to add a volume indicator in MetaTrader 5. Begin with MetaTrader 5 open and a chart already loaded. You can use any symbol and any time frame. Before continuing, click once anywhere on the chart to make sure it is the active chart. This tells the platform which chart you want to work with. Next, move your mouse to the top of the platform where the main menu is located. Look for the menu option labeled Insert and click on it. This menu contains the tools that can be added to your chart, including indicators and other chart objects. After clicking Insert, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, find the option labeled Indicators. Move your mouse over it or click it if needed to open the list of available indicator categories. You'll now see several categories of built-in indicators. Look for the category labeled Volumes. This is the section that contains the available volume indicators in MetaTrader 5. Click on the Volumes category. A list of volume indicators will appear. Depending on your setup, you may see options such as volumes, tick volumes, and other available volume-based indicators. Choose the volume indicator you want to use. If you're just getting started, select the standard Volumes option. After clicking on the indicator, a settings window will open. Inside this settings window, you can adjust the appearance of the indicator. You'll have options to change things such as the colors and other visual settings. If you're happy with the default settings, you don't need to change anything. If you prefer, adjust the colors so the volume bars are easier to see against your chart background. Once you've reviewed the settings, click OK to apply the indicator. As soon as you confirm the settings, the volume indicator will appear in a separate window below your main price chart. The indicator is now attached to the active chart and will display volume information as new price data appears. If you want to add the same indicator to another chart, simply repeat the same process. Click on the chart you want to use, open the Insert menu, choose Indicators, open the Volumes category, select the volume indicator you want, review the settings window, and click OK. If you decide later that you want a different appearance, you can open the indicator settings again and adjust the visual options before confirming your changes. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Thank you for watching.